Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Welcome fellows of Kigali-Engineers-College. So we see in the front of you there is the dry machine, so we are going to see it. So first of all, this is the door you open and put inside your clothes you are going to dry, and you close. And you see there is control board, there is start, pause and stop and other function. So behind there is exhauster, and also there is the pulley that drive our drum, and there is another pulley. There is two electric motor, and also there is heater. This is the heat exchanger. You see that there is the resistor or heating element produce heat, convert electric energy into heat, and that heat is delivered inside where there is a clothes to absorb the cold or moisture in the clothes in order to dry it. So you see there's some contactors and other things that is controlled electrically, and you see the cable that power our machine. So we see there is also the housing. There is the housing. In upcoming video we see how you can operate.